Hey everyone, welcome back to the Nail Factory's YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a pink Christmas set, first Christmas set of the year. So first I'm going in with Sunset Fog from D&D. It's a pink that I always gravitate towards because it's a lighter pink. It's not that hot pink that's kind of hard to mesh with other colors. And I go in with that on the thumb and the pinky with 2 coats. Also on the 3 middle fingers, I have JR03 from the Born Pretty Nudes collection that you can get on Amazon. I'll have a link. And then on top of that, I'm going in with this color from ASP. I'll put the name on the screen because I'm not with the polish right now and I forgot the name. But it's just a really pretty, I use it as a topper most of the time. It has like some gold and pinkish kind of shimmers in it. The first nail I decided to do was the heart. Also, I'll have the inspo pick up because I did not come up with this design on my own. But I go in with the heart, which took me longer than you'll see in this video. I had to redo this so many times, I don't know why. But I just draw a heart cutout shape in the middle. And the middle of the heart is going to stay clear with the Nude glitter, so don't fill it in. And then I go in with my brush to fill in the outside of the heart. The brush that I'm using will also be linked. As you can see, it's from Beetles Gel. You can get them on Amazon. I think they always come in a pack, and I always use the black brush, and then I cut mine with fingernail clippers to make it a little thinner. Now we're gonna do the circle nail. For my circles, sometimes I will just freehand the circle and hope it turns out right. But if I don't feel too confident in a circle, I'll start out with a square and then I'll just round the edges and keep rounding them until they get to a perfect circle shape. Okay, for the snowflakes. For snowflakes, I just start with a dot in the middle and then I make lines going up in every direction. And then I add 2 circles with my dotting tools, one on the outside of the line and one in the middle of it. And then I just go back over it with my brush. Now I'm using the Koopa matte top coat to just seal in everything, and in the end we're going to go over the heart cutout and the circle cutout with just a clear top coat to make it shiny again. But this is the matte top coat that I use. I'm going to try the Nails by Dev one because I hear that's a really good one, and the Koopa one honestly smears. Actually, I think you can even see it in this video. It smeared my snowflake on this nail and I had to wipe it off. That's probably a mixture of the Koopa matte top coat smudging all the time and my white polish that I'm using. It also smudges, so that just was not a good combination. The mitten nail is going to be a sweater nail in the end, so I'm using my Koopa matte coat to go on top of the mitten. For sweater nails, after you apply your matte top coat, you're going to go over the matte with any design that you want. For my nails, I did some more snowflakes, some little starburst type of things, some simple dots with the dotting tool. And for sweater nails, after you draw the nail art, while it's still wet, you want to pour acrylic on top of it, a clear acrylic, if you want it to be the same color as whatever polish you're using. And now I'm going to kind of go quiet and you can just watch me do the rest of this nail art. Now to draw stars, I just simply make an A shape, and then I draw 2 diagonal lines connecting the 2 lines at the bottom towards the top. I hope that was explained well. But and then I just fill it in and kind of have to perfect the shape as I'm filling it in. Now we have the finished product. These are the finished product of the pink Christmas sweater nails. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll have the inspiration tag and everything as well. Bye!